Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about GALAX GeForce RTX 5075 series. So friend, GALAX has rolled out its new RTX 5075 graphics card, which comes with a cyber black flame design, and the card is built with a focus on solid engineering and clear performance number. It runs at base speed of 2325 MHz and can boost up to 2512 MHz, and the dimensions are laid out in a straightforward manner, 300 into 120 into 40 mm. And looking the cooling system, the RTA 5075 use triple fan venting star design, and the fan have a unique design with protruding elements that help move air efficiently across the card. And the front of the card shows a strip pattern along with the carbon fiber texture, while a hollow protective backplate adds extra support without hindering the cooling process. With a total power draw of 250 watt, and the card is designed to balance performance and energy use efficiently. And this detail provide a clear no frills look the how the card manage heat and power, which is important for any hardware guru considering new components. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.